Your link in bio page is trash and confusing, but we can fix that. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ivan, and I am your favorite social media manager and videographer here to tell you everything there is to know about Beacons. So you may know that Beacons has the best and most powerful link in bio tools ever. With so much customization integrations with other Beacons apps and many more tools, you can really power your whole creator business through one link. With all that customization must come organization. It's key to have a link in bio that's not overwhelming, but not boring, which is why we have Pages. Pages is a great way to organize and compartmentalize all your content and links so that everything has a place and your audience can easily navigate through your pages. Let me show you how to add and organize them. Head into Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Link in Bio. Here's my current link in bio. I have some links, an email sign up, and my store block to sell digital products. However, I want to add more stuff but not overcrowd my main page, so let's add a page. At the top right next to home, click on Add New Page and name it what you want. I want to add all my affiliate links here, so I'm going to name it Affiliate Links and hit Add New Page. Now you have created a whole new page. Just like your normal homepage, you can add all the links and content blocks you want. This will be where I put all my affiliate links, but you have so many options to choose from. You can have a page dedicated to the gear you use, your video content, collaborations, and maybe a way for brands to contact you. However, let's say you don't want everyone to have access to these pages and you only want certain people to be able to enter and see the contents inside the page. Well, you can do that. Click on Manage Pages in the upper right-hand corner. Here is where you'll be able to see, reorder, and add more pages. If you click on the three dots next to your page name, you have some options to choose from, such as editing, renaming, copying the URL, preview, and hide. If you click on hide, your page will be hidden from the general public and won't show up in the top navigation. However, you can copy and send the URL to anyone and they'll be able to see that private page. This is useful in situations such as a brand wanting to contact you and you don't want the general public to have your personal information. Now, let's get into changing the design of your navigation. At the top, hit the Design tab and scroll all the way at the bottom and you'll see Page Navigation. In the classic layout, you have three options to choose from, such as tabs on top, tabs on bottom, and a hamburger menu that when people tap on the three lines, they'll get the side navigation that pops up. Pages are a great way to organize all your content and keep things clean so that your audience can find all your content and links easily. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. Also, while you're at it, check out our other tools and apps. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright y'all, see you next time.